Hey friends, welcome back to another taste test video. One company that I absolutely love, it's a small keto company named KRACK, and we have reviewed a lot of their products over the last few months. They make the most delectable candies. So if you're looking for like a beautiful box of delicious candies for someone that's keto in your life, KRACK is the place to go. It's like top quality, just delicious candy. And recently they've pretty much gone full on bakery with some new products, and they sent us some muffins to try. So they sent a sweet and savory pack that looks delicious. Let me show you what they all look like. So there's 3 flavors in here. There's warming pumpkin spice, there's spicy jalapeno cheddar, which is the savory one, and then there's wild blueberry lemon, and they all have 12 to 14 grams of protein per muffin, which I love. 3 or 4 net carbs. They are sweetened with allulose. I don't have total carbs on here, but I bet you could find that on their website if you count total carbs. I don't count allulose, so I don't usually worry about that as long as that's the only, thing that's getting subtracted out. I don't worry about it too much, but let me show you how adorable these muffins look. So there they are. So these ones over here are the blueberry lemon, and then these are the jalapeno cheddar and the warming pumpkin spice. They got the pumpkin seeds on there. So I am gonna get some of my taste test panel in here to taste these. Unfortunately, Levi cannot taste them for you because they do have eggs in them and he has an egg allergy. So he's gonna have to sit this one out, but it was so incredibly sweet. The people over at KRACK remembered about his egg allergy, and they actually included some very special treats for him. So he has all kinds of goodies to keep him occupied. But I'm gonna try to get some of the girls in here to taste some of these. I'm pretty sure though that they won't be very excited about the jalapeno cheddar. Not exactly made for kids. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste that one, and then I'll get the kids to come through and give their reviews on the pumpkin spice and the lemon blueberry. All right, so that is the cheddar jalapeno. It looks like cornbread. The paper stuck a little bit to the muffins. I wonder if I heated it up a little bit before taking the paper off, if that would make a difference. But here, let's give a little break here. That's what the inside looks like. It really reminds me of cornbread. Even though it's a savory flavor, there's definitely still sweetness there. Very similar to like a sweet cornbread, but then it's got that cheddar and the spicy jalapeno. It's really good. It really does remind me of cornbread, like sucks the moisture out of your mouth as soon as you put it in there. But it's really good. I could see this being perfect with like chili or something to dip. And the sweetness plus the savory is fantastic. So the ingredients on all of these are very similar. For the jalapeno cheddar, it's almond milk, eggs, coconut, Greek yogurt, allulose, cheddar cheese, butter, EPG, which is, in parentheses, it says modified plant-based oil. I'd be interested to know exactly what that is because I have not heard of that before. Jalapeno, whey protein isolate, milk protein isolate, baking powder, baking soda, salt, vanilla, konjac, and monk fruit. All right, I think they're gonna be better if I just heat them just slightly, like a couple of seconds in the microwave. I'm gonna get them heated up, and then I'm gonna get the girls to come and try to taste them too. All right, Charity, you ready?
Yes.
We have our pumpkin spice and blueberry lemon, and putting them in the microwave softened them right up. So I think that's the way to go. Try pumpkin first.
Okay.
Let's look at that. I mean, that just looks like a muffin. It's a little warm inside. All right, go for it.
It's a little bland, but pretty good.
A little bland, but pretty good. Okay. It tastes very like cinnamony, pumpkin-y. Okay. You ready to taste the blueberry? Ooh, that looks nice.
That looks good.
It smells good. It smells lemony.
Mmm.
All right. There you go. do you think?
Very lemony. Lemony.
Lemony?
Yeah.
All right, which one do you like better, the pumpkin or the lemon blueberry?
Blueberry.
Lemon blueberry. Do you want to try the cheddar jalapeno one?
No.
I didn't think so. All right, I'm gonna try the warming pumpkin. Definitely taste the pumpkin. It's not like only pumpkin spice. I taste the pumpkin. It's good. I do agree with Charity. It is a tiny bit bland. Like, you know what it needs? What would make it perfect is like cream cheese frosting. It would be phenomenal. But it's nice. It'd be good with a cup of coffee for sure. All right, I'm excited about this lemon blueberry. It looks super good. I mean, it tastes like a lemon blueberry muffin. Almost reminiscent of like a Costco muffin, except not quite as sickly sweet. That one's really good. I like that one a lot. You ready to try some muffins?
Yeah.
Okay, we have pumpkin spice first.
Okay.
There you go.
That tastes fine.
Tastes fine.
Yeah.
Okay. I was saying it'd be really good with some cream cheese frosting.
Yes.
I think that would make it really good. Ready to try the lemon blueberry?
Oh, I didn't know they were lemon blueberry. I thought there's only like lemon and blueberry. Tastes more lemony than it does blueberry.
Yeah, I agree with that.
It's good. It's better than the other one.
You like it better than the pumpkin spice?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think Charity and I both thought the same. So, yeah. So your favorite is the lemon blueberry. So if someone was going to make an order from KRACK, do you say order muffins or order candy bars?
Candy bars.
Yeah, we love the candy bars. So that's going to be our number one.
I'll just eat all of them.
So there is our raw and unfiltered review of the KRACK muffins. I do have a coupon code for KRACK. I'm not affiliated. I don't make any money by you placing orders, but I do have a coupon code that you can use for 10% off. It is just Indigo Nili. I will put it down in the description along with a link. As always, thank you to KRACK for all the goodies that we get to try. We always love trying all the new creations. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you again in the next one.